We're going live all day. We're going live all day. Back here at Clover, going inside now. Slide down. Yeah, we do got power back in here now. All right, so we got this basement all nice and cleaned out. Still smell a little bit of moisture. We'll get that sorted out.
You kind of need to do the plumbing first.
Well, yeah, because the plumbing's over here.
Yeah, so you kind of need to do that first before we lift and stuff. But yeah.
No, that's...
We are lifting the floor.
Yeah, we gotta get all this crap out. All this stuff came off the rafters.
He just had a good idea.
We ain't got no. I thought we had electric down here. Let me see.
We just need a new bulb probably.
Yeah, that bulb is...
It's done? Yeah, alright. We'll get some bulbs.
But yeah, so yeah, this was a smart idea here.
Yes, that's a lawnmower in the kitchen. That's my lawnmower. We just put it in there because the garage door is not secure, so we just store it in the house right now. Check out the new electrical box. Cheer. That's what I'm talking about. And we'll get
all these, everything.
You want all this, you want new plumbing.
Everything.
Yeah.
Because we know most of it's shot out. So that's not.
I mean, if you look around, man, you look at this, it's like holes.
Well, this stuff here is for the heat.
Yeah.
This is for the heat here, these guys. This is
Well, that's gotta go. Yeah.
What I was saying is
this is gonna go anyways.
Right.
And like I told him, I said, I mean, you could probably find a guy that does scrap work to come in and he'll cut all this shit out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He'll take all the metal away just for the junk price.
Good.
You know, so
give me that
I'll see if I can get a hold of. I mean, I'll see
That'd
what I
be
can
great.
find,
My man.
and we'll go from there.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir.
But like I said, what'll happen is the plumbing will go back.
We got all that asbestos remediated.
Is it staying the way it is? Is everything staying the way it is?
For the most part, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We're not doing gas. We're doing electric stove.
Okay, so what I'm saying is this bathroom's staying where it's at.
Yes.
The bathroom above it's staying where it's at.
Yeah.
So all the plumbing's gonna go back on this wall.
I need you to run that upstairs too, if that makes sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, I mean that's a stack going up. To
Exactly.
Yep. This is the one for the first floor.
Yep.
I mean, this is
JT in the house. JT in the house, everybody.
and then like I said, the furnace. Like I told you, the furnace.
Yes.
I mean, we can set the furnace anywhere in here, but I gotta run a chalk line across the base.
Yes.
And then what I'll do is I'll tuck the flex up in the rafters to get to the other side of the house.
That's cool. How, in terms of, let's go upstairs, in terms of running the duct, like, cause I gave you the idea of going through the closet. Oh, you were saying something else. I didn't really understand. Let's go up here.
I'm proud to see Fahad stepping up like this. This dude used to be my intern at a previous employer. Now he's like giving him the plug to be the project manager for this. He's doing a good job. He even starting to talk like me. Imitation is the purest form of flattery. I dig it. What's up, Chris?
What I'm suggesting is like your rooms are right above here.
Yeah.
So come up in a corner.
Okay.
And then box it in.
Okay.
You know, I'll come up, get a vent
HVAC.
upstairs, and then you can just box it in.
That's cool.
You know what I mean? So
That's cool.
if I pick this corner here, your line will come up, the food will be right above it, and all you guys have to do is put a little pump out around the duct.
We can do that. That's good.
You know, and that way I don't have to bust, or I can bust into the walls.
We don't want that.
That's the stuff. That's you said that. So the option is bring them up in a corner somewhere, box the corner in.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You don't.
It's still
I'm good with that.
Correct?
Oh yeah.
Okay, it's fine. That's our biggest thing, doing it right, efficiency.
Cool.
Right.
I'm with
So,
that.
I mean, you'll have one, I'll probably use, you know, bigger vents, 8-inch round stuff,
Cool.
so. And we'll push them upstairs.
We gonna get that junk hauler or got us through for scrap to get these out of here too.
Yeah.
They gonna do that or
whatever,
like
I mean,
all these-
we'll find a scrap guy and tell him just, you know, hey,
Come eat.
if you put it online, I guess you'll find them online.
They
Yeah.
know people, they take good money for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come and get it. Come and get it.
That's it, there you go. First come, first serve.
First come.
I like that. What I would do is a lot of copper. Yep.
That was our electrical panel box that we got installed. I don't even know what the Williams conning is, big dog. But yeah, so this is where we got to raise the floor up. Where it dipped down, but this dip actually extends into the kitchen and into that bathroom there. So we'll have to get that situated. But good news is we should have lights in here now.
But they sell it back to you at a nice
They
price.
sell back to you at $150.
So plumbing, check that.
Okay, like I said, I mean,
Everything's staying the
for the
same.
plumbing, you guys need to rip out the stuff that's out of it, you know, get
And
the
update
shit,
it, plastic
get this shit out of
pipes.
my way,
Yep.
and then I'll come through and drop the plumbing back
This
in.
is the plug for the HVAC and plumbing. You got it.
All right, cool.
Right, Tom?
Let's get that number. And Monday,
Monday I can start on the heat if you guys want,
Yes.
until you guys get this plumbing report.
that's what I want to discuss with you about. Let's get it.
This is a mini project management meeting. I'm just here to observe. I'm paying for Todd to take care of everything, and I just come.
And I'll call Clove
And
just to compare.
We got a
And then
few
we'll
things
go
that
from
Rick and I
there.
are gonna be working on, but for the
Plumbing
most part,
equipment, I need help in
I'm
terms of,
spectating.
like, just tell me what we need exactly. Like, take the measurements. Tell me what we need. I go by. We go by it together. That's all
I
I
mean,
need.
we can, yeah, there's like, I can, what I'll do is I'll go with APR. What size unit you guys think of putting in for here?
I'm gonna tell you, Mark gave me one. The beach, like ton wise.
Yeah, try to
Okay.
for your ear. What you want to put in for
I'm
your
gonna tell you what I want.
I mean, me, it would probably be 2.5.
We're not doing nothing to the basement.
Still, you're still gonna need a 2.5.
Yep, that's what,
Still gonna need 2.5 tons
Yep.
of what you got.
Exactly.
So, I mean, that's.
It's about 1,600 square footage, so yeah, exactly.
Between 2 and 2.5 would be the
So
tonnage.
we'll see.
And then the furnace, since you're getting a 90% of it, you're looking probably anywhere between a 60 to a 70,000 BTU furnace.
Okay, what about the water heater? How many gallons?
I would put a 40-gallon gas back in it. I mean, you're not gonna need no more than that's a single-family house.
Okay,
So,
would it be better to get it through APR or Lowe's or Home Depot?
you guys do what you want to do there. I mean, the prices are all about the same.
So we can probably.
I had a homie tell me about. Let me ask you this: a guy told me about a dual fuel system, heat pump and gas. Are those any more efficient than?
Dual heat. What is he talking about? A heat pump system, or is he
Yeah,
talking about?
heat-
Well, see, heat pump don't do gas.
All right.
The heat pump's electric and the freon.
Okay.
Okay, which gives you your AC in the summertime, and then it flips it around and it pulls the heat, an emergency backup system, an electric system in it.
Gotcha.
So in case it can't keep
It
up,
can't fluctuate,
the electric
yeah.
kicks on
Right.
to help it.
Gotcha.
So me personally, in this area, I would, if you got the gas coming,
Gas is coming.
drop a high efficiency gas furnace in it, and you want it.
Say no more. Boom.
Right?
All right. Say no more. Oh, thanks, Jay. Man, this is a cool house,
No,
man.
what it would be, it's Concord is one of the equipments, and then the other one's Gibson's. I can get high.
Which one is better from your experiences? Like for these houses, 'cause a lot of the ones
So-
you're gonna
For your flip houses, I would go ahead and get the Concord system and go with the Concord. What do you think?
This is probably a conversation I need to be a part of.
That one here, I've been putting a lot of that one in. I've been doing stuff for people, for investors in Harrisburg.
not that many issues.
I've had no issues with
Okay,
it.
cool. So we'll look at that.
Yeah.
So do you wanna? So Monday, what's the plan? What's the game plan?
Well, I mean, what I'll probably do is we'll have to meet up, pick up, get some materials. You know, get the
Start
equipment.
running duck Monday.
Yeah, we can start running duck Monday until the furnace gets here, you know what I mean? Or we can order it and have it delivered here for Monday.
And then the following week we can do plumbing. Well, we gotta get the guys to come.
Yeah, get this stuff gutted out,
Okay.
and then I can, you know, I can come
Yeah,
in.
because those two things are critical paths of this project that's stopping us
And
from
they
some
have-
other things.
They have to be done first.
Exactly. So that's
So that gets the plan.
See, my man just learned the new critical path, baby.
The
That's
plumbing,
what I'm saying.
You know, now we're talking about the
Yeah,
game chart.
boy.
First. So you guys do anything
Look at
else?
this master student right here. Man.
We
Dude
were
right
talking
here,
about-
man. He
we
be
were
talking that talk right.
We were talking about the Gantt chart the other day.
Yeah, yeah.
Focus on this. What are some things that need to be mandatory done? It's called a critical path, meaning, and this has to be done in order to accomplish that. Those are one of the things.
There's three things.
Yes.
The first three things you do in a house after you build it.
Yeah. Listen to this,
The
everyone.
electric,
Boom,
plumbing,
done.
and the heating.
Yeah,
It's getting
I
done.
mean, that's what you need.
Yeah.
And then you can continue.
gotcha.
You know,
Man,
because a lot of the times with these old houses, and when you're flipping them around,
Mm,
the electric, some of it's knob and tube, and you want to get rid of that.
Yeah, right.
So there's times where you got to bust into the drywall to get that wire out.
Mhm.
So I mean, that's why I said you want that done first. You don't want to come in and do drywall.
And then have to go
And then have
right,
to go
rip
through
it.
your
Yeah.
electric.
No, that's
That don't make no sense.
Yeah.
So I mean, but there's people out there that do that.
yeah.
yeah, don't ever look backwards.
There's people out there that do that.
Investor tip, y'all. I hope y'all's paying attention to that. You know what I mean? This is definitely our biggest project, so you know we want to make sure we learn properly on as we go. We don't want to have to duplicate efforts and all that redundancy and whatnot. You know, let's take a peek upstairs. So you hear all the stuff that's going on with the roofs. I got you. I'm gonna take that before it disappears. Let me know. Oh man, this is all gonna be beautiful. The smell is gone. Oh my gosh. The years of funk are gone. That's really good. Now you really can't smell remnants like before. I mean, it's like, ooh, before it was horrible in here. Now it just smells like house that we just gotta get situated, take care of. Hey, look at that! Look at that! We gotta let. Ooh, no! Stop! All right, turn that fan off. Everything about to come down. We need to bring some bulbs over here so we get some light in here. We work at night. Yeah, it's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, Jay. Now this light should work. I think we got a functioning bulb in here. Yeah. So that's cool. Turn that off. At least we got a functioning bulb. And the fan actually works. I think if we just had some new blades on here, it might be fine. I don't know. Yeah. Cedar closet. What y'all know about the cedar closets? Yeah. This is coming along really good, man. It's cool to actually see things coming together. Yeah, this just makes the last couple of weeks of just struggle and frustration worth it, you know? Yeah, that fan was trying to fly and hit me, man. Let's come outside, see what these guys doing. But yeah, Tamika, you're right. Yes, we do store the lawnmower and the chainsaw and the weeder inside because the garage is full of crap right now. Oh, that's right. Prime Day is coming up, big dog. You're absolutely right. So we got trash and stuff in here. Garage door coming. That'll be cool. We might just like power wash this down and spray paint it. Spray it just so it looks good. You know, kind of patch that little area right there. I mean, it's just plaster. You see the brick facade in there, so that brick is good. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Jay. You're right. You are right about that, bro. The frustration is real.
No. New sink, new toilets, new kitchen sinks as well. So all that stuff, and shower head, all that stuff. Yep.
Sam's Club got the $80 chair height toilets, man.
Big boy one, the nice one.
Yeah, the ones I ain't got to crack my knees on to sit down and take a dump on.
There you
You know?
go. Well, yeah, that's fine. Whatever you guys get. I mean,
Okay,
you don't need a toilet.
No.
Whatever you guys get, we can pretty much put it in.
Cool, man. Now, we can go ahead and grab them.
All right. You still on the lock? Still on the
Yep.
lock? Okay. Just had to discuss some things with you, but
All right, we'll go ahead and
mandate, Calm Family Property Solutions. We're out here.
We out here, man. I mean, just look, man. It's such a blessing, right? People don't realize it, but when you're flipping a property, like look at all the trades that you're providing for, right? So you're providing for folks, providing employment for roofers, HVAC guys, flooring people, painters, electricians, right? So like, it's not just flipping a property. Like we're not only restoring lives one home at a time for the homeowner, but we're restoring lives for people who are looking for employment during these strenuous times, right? So I mean, look at it. You got at least 10 people out here between roof, HVAC, plumbers, electrical. We've had several people out here. You know, the township gets money off of us too. You know, still got to pay for them to come out and inspect things and permits and all that. You know what I mean? So like, that's a revenue stream. So, you know, it's cool to be able to, from one project, be able to support this many trades, man. You know, be able to bless so many people through this. So it's a blessing. Helping small businesses, you're right. You're absolutely right. Helping small businesses. You know, it's all about collaboration over competition, man. You know.
No, that's old. That's old still? No, I mean, like, they did it. We're not messing. We're just doing the siding.
Oh,
Somebody did this a year ago.
Okay.
There's proof of it, too.
So they're not touching the back.
No.
They're doing the front. Okay. I was gonna say that they already threw that on already.
No. It do look new, though. Don't look new. Yeah.
Took it off the front and put it on the back. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I know guys that. I know.
Man, they make it look too easy. I can never get on a roof because I'm not good with balance. This is a tough roof.
The back part ain't bad. The front, man, is like, yeah.
They going in there.
You stand like that guy standing right
I cannot ever do that in my life. That's the big boss over there. That's the second big boss.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out to here.
All right.
All right.
I'll see you Monday.
Jay, I'll catch you later, man. You got it, bro. Good to see you again, man. Later. Well, we're doing this. We got it going. So I'm gonna go. I'll grab the check, man, and we can give it to Jorge.
No, not yet.
I'm talking about like when he finished and everything's done.
What he was saying is he's either gonna finish the gutters tomorrow or Monday.
All right. So when it's done,
Yep.
when it's done.
So and
then
you
we'll
guys
pay.
saw in the video, I just shook one of our partners' hands. So my thing is this: one shake hand at a time. Collaboration over competition. We don't have to compete. That's what we do here at Eden Mandate and Calm Family Property Solutions.
No doubt. Collaboration over competition. That's it. All right, y'all. We out. Restoring lives, one home at a time.